Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm about to show you a brand new Salem. It is absolutely beautiful. If you're looking for a bunkhouse, a fiberglass, great price RV, then this might be the one for you. I mean, it is absolutely stunning, but the bunkhouse is super spacious. So let's take a look from the outside in and go from there. All right. This is our Salem Hemisphere. The 2024, the model number is 310BHI. We've got two slides on this side and one slide on this side. It does have two awnings, speakers on the outside as well, and it's got an amazing outdoor kitchen. Let's take a look at that. All right. So you've got your fridge, plenty of storage, your griddle, some counter space, outlets, sink. I mean, everything that you could need. We got lights up at the top. This is absolutely, just thinking about being outside and being able to do this is awesome. But of course you have your LP quick connect as well, so that you can barbecue, grill, whatever. And then I don't know if you noticed, but you do have the leveling right here, which is great. You got your backup camera prep as well. But let's take a look inside. All right. Okay, so absolutely stunning. Like I said, I love this unit for many different reasons, but Salem definitely puts a lot of thought into how they're building this for the family, for a coach, they put a lot into it. And I feel like you could see that just by stepping in here. All right, so you've got your theater seating right here, right across from your entertainment, a beautiful fireplace, some counter space, and your sound bar. You also have your dinette, which of course turns into a bed or turns into a big couch for the kiddos. That way everybody has a seat. You got storage underneath. And I love the flooring on here, and I love the island counter. I love how Salem, they've kept this pretty much throughout their RVs, but they're absolutely beautiful. I love that they kept it into their backsplash as well, just kind of keeping it all works together. You've got ton of storage here. I mean, a lot of storage space as well. You've got your 3-burner, your oven, and then of course that right there, this drawer right here is going to be for pots and pans. Love it. You've got your microwave, and then a lot of counter space, both over here. You got more counter space over there. It's very nice. Plus you've got this nice big fridge. So you got plenty of room to put all your goods in here. Nice big fridge and freezer. You've got a pantry right over here, which is always nice. Now this is a very big pantry. An option to hang up your clothes or hang up your coats or whatever you might want to use it for. You see in the back there is these huge windows, but I love the blackout blinds in here. Love this, and they actually really do work. So you like on this big one right here, you got this side over here, and it's super simple, super easy. You don't have to fumble with it. They really do work. You got more storage right over here, which is super nice. Love this glass. I mean, and it goes pretty far on both sides. Pretty deep right there. Now, let's head into the bunkhouse. Let me open this window so that y'all can actually see in here. All right. So we've got a couch which comes out and turns into a nice big bed. You've got a bed up here that can come down, but while you're sitting here, you can watch your entertainment, or the kiddos can, and plenty of storage. Plenty of storage on all sides. And not only that, look at the space you get on the floor. So if you have the little ones, they're able to play on the floor. And I know for my own kid, my own 10-year-old, he would absolutely love this because that's what he does. He plays with, you know, his toys, his army stuff. It's always on the floor, but he has his own space. So that is really, really nice. We've got another bunk right over here. And if you can't tell, these are super, like, they're wider than normal. You've got a nice little window back here, which is really great. Just having that natural light is always good. So this room is definitely a big, spacious room. I love this bunk room. All right, guys. Down the hall, we've got our bathroom. I love the color of the doors. All right, so nice and big. You've got that walk-in shower. You've got plenty of space to have a seat and do your thing. You got storage as well. And you got more storage on this side. Beautiful. I love that they kept going on with that counter design. Really nice. And then we got our master bedroom. So they used the barn door here, which of course I love because it does give you that extra space. It doesn't take up so much room than a regular door. This is a Versa lift, so you can, with a switch of a hit of a button, it goes right down, or you can come right up and watch your entertainment right there. You've got these side tables, which I absolutely love, plus more storage. And this is for like laundry. You throw it in there, you can pick it up on the outside. You've got more storage right here, so you can hang up your clothes. You got outlets in there, so you can use it for all kinds of things. And then of course more storage right here. There we go. And little lights on the side or up above, which is really great. Same on this side with these beautiful windows on each side as well. And then right over here, you've got more area to hang up your clothes, but it is also it has the washer and dryer prep. So that is absolutely fantastic to have that option. And of course, underneath you do have more storage. So I love the amount of storage that you have in here because like I always say, finding storage in an RV can sometimes be really difficult. So the fact that they have so much area in here is really, really nice. But what do you guys think? I think it's absolutely beautiful, but I definitely want to know what you guys think. You can come up and see me, of course. My information is in the description below. Call, text, email, but you guys let me know what you think, and until next time.